This is our YouTube explanation of quadratic formula. We're doing the equation y equals 5x squared plus 3x minus 6. In this equation, 5 is A, 3 is B, and negative 6 is C. We're going to plug it into the formula. Want to do a quick check because on the graph, graphed it in the calculator, and we see it crosses in two places. We're going to find those two. It's close to 1, close to -1. So that'll be kind of our sanity check to do this. And the equation is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now I'm going to plug in what are those numbers. So b is 3, negative 3. A is 5, and C is negative 6, and then A again is 5. And this is going to become negative 3 plus or minus 9 minus minus, and then 20 times 6 is 120, all over 10. And I recommend not putting this whole thing in the calculator at first because that's a lot of stuff and you can make errors with typing, and that's not the same as errors with math. This thing would be our final answer. Now I'm going to check, will that match the calculator? So if we do negative 3 plus square root of 129, I know what that is, and divide by 10. That's 0.8357. Then I'm going to check this 0 here. And this is a little bit advanced of what we're doing in class, but I'm just showing you where it could be. And that is correct. That's the and we'll just check the other root. And oops, second entry. We'll just do the same thing, but subtract. Divide that by 10. It's about negative 1.435. Then I'll do that same zeroing thing again. We'll go over this in class, but this is just to show why it works. And there we are. We are correct. So if you go zoom back in on this thing, that's where you would end with the quadratic formula on a quiz if it didn't come out to a nice even number. The end.